So for the first video, I just want to talk to you a little bit about setting up your class site. So what you're probably going to want to do is either on your hard drive, maybe in your documents, or on your desktop, I want you to make a new folder for this class. And, you can call it COM 244, however you'll remember what it is. And what I want to stress is that what goes inside this folder should be exactly what you're going to want to see up on the FTP site. So exactly the same things that you're going to see online. So as you can see, what I have done, because I have a lot more up on the website than you will, and when we start off, we'll have done our index page and we'll have started to code our what or no page. But you're going to want this folder to have everything that's going to be in your class site, and specifically starting with that index page and working outwards. So if you want to have other documents in here, that's fine. Then you could maybe do something like make a class site folder, as I've done here. And for you right now, it's going to have that index page that we worked on in class and the beginning, that what I know page. And what's going to happen is as we start working on our class site, you're going to start building this out, and there's going to be more files that go in here. So keeping it all in this one folder means that every time we do an exercise in class, every time there's something you're going to want to link up on your class site, it lives already in the folder in the correct file structure that you want. So our first assignment is going to be to make a recipe book, and I'm going to give you the zip file. And in the zip file, there's a folder that has all of the files you're going to need. They're kind of blank files that you'll need to fill out, but if you downloaded the recipe book zip and you've put it in your class site, when you unzip it, it will be in the right place, so that way you can then link to it from your index, and you'll put like /recipe book, and everything will be in the right spot. And then you can upload all of this onto the web page via the FTP, which we'll go over in one of the next videos. And you'll know that everything is in the right place. And you'll know that when you make the link work from our index HTML here, that if you preview that in your browser, it's going to look and work the exact same way as it does when it's on the web page, when you're up on web.simmons.edu/your username. Because that's the kind of critical part that can be quite hard, is making sure that you have a mirror between what's up online and what's on your computer, so that when you test things on your computer and they work on your computer, that they'll work the same up online. So to make sure that I haven't broken any of my links and that everything works right, I'm going to move these guys back, because this is my copy of what's up on the web page. And as you'll see, I've got different things for different weeks, which you're going to end up having, is we're going to have class exercises for each week. These are demos that you'll get to see as we go through the course, but I think it's important to just re-stress the fact that you should have either a folder that's going to have your site on it at the top, or again, make a subfolder within your COM 244 folder that's class site. Remembering no spaces when we're doing things for the web, all lowercase letters, so that we make sure that everything is as clean as possible. And for right now, that folder should just have in it, I'm just going to get rid of that copy there. It should have in it the index, what I know. And for this week's homework, you're going to go ahead and you're going to be making an about page that you're going to add to that folder, and then you're going to upload all of those guys and link them.